On the other news, Senate President Francis Escudero clarified that the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte will not be affected by the trial for former President Rodrigo Duterte in the International Criminal Court. As of now, the Senate is set to decide for the proposed timeline of the impeachment trial that Senate President Escudero issued. Based on the proposed timeline, the impeachment trial may start on July 30. Also, Senate President Escudero said that the appearance of Vice President Duterte at the Netherlands has no problem with him.
Sa pagkakaalam ko po, ang pinagbabawal na mag-appear in any court or tribunal in the Philippines is a member of Congress. Walang ganon sa ICC. So, pwede siya mag-appear. Kung ang tanong mo, sumasweldo siya, hindi siya nagtatrabaho. Siya'y elected official. Siya'y impeachable officer. Hindi yan kasama sa isa sa mga impeachable offenses na di umano ginawa niya.